Hi, I'm Kieran Robinson. I'm Head of Online Delivery here at SSR and author of our Audio for Computer Games online courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit audio to create loops that work outside a DAW. I need the sound of a rolling ball for a computer game, so I started by recording a spool of solder rolling on a chair mat. This is a good starting point, but as you can hear, it doesn't loop properly. There's a distinct click every time the loop cycles. If I duplicate the loop and zoom in at the intersection, we can see why. There's a sudden change in the waveform amplitude from one clip to the next. In a DAW, there's a simple fix to this. Just add a crossfade. However, this isn't possible in my game audio engine. Let's zoom back out and delete the duplicated clip. I'll trim the ends of my clip, which will give me handles for my crossfade later. Now make an insertion point in the middle of the clip and slice it in two. Next, change to shuffle mode and drag the first clip over to the end of the second clip, swapping the two round. Add a crossfade at the intersection and consolidate the two clips to create the finished loop. Let's give it a listen. This file is guaranteed not to click when it loops, as the end sample started off adjacent to the start. Let's see how this loop behaves in the game. This next editing trick can be applied to sound effects and music. It's useful for game audio, but also essential if you're creating commercial beats and loops. When you loop in a DAW, the reverb from the end of the clip continues when the transport returns to the start. I'm using a very simple loop here for my demonstration. This sounds natural. However, if I bounce down the loop, you can see and hear that the start of the clip lacks the reverb tail from the end of the clip, resulting in a truncated effect every time it cycles. So when you bounce down the loop, make sure the timeline selection also includes the reverb tail. I'll create another audio track, mute the original, select the original clip, move my selection to my bounced loop, and separate the reverb tail at the selection. Now drag the reverb tail to the beginning of my timeline. I'll name this accordingly. This will now loop without truncating the reverb.